Welcome to Parque del Café in the heart of Colombia's coffee country, where exhilaration meets tradition. Walk along with us as we enter the park and kickstart a day full of exhilarating rides, aromatic sips of the iconic coffee, and of course, infectious Colombian culture. Today we're mixing things up a little bit, gonna have a little bit of fun. We're here at the Parque del Café. It's one of the biggest amusement parks in the Quindío department where we are. Just came on motorcycle, gonna enjoy ourselves. So we climbed up this mirador, the lookout here in the front. We've already entered the park, but you can circle back and come up here. And this is the view from up above. Beautiful little bamboo forest here. And as you can see, pure coffee country down below. Parked our motorcycle right down there, across the street, grabbed a little bite to eat, the restaurant across the road. And now we're gonna take the ride into the park. Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
Let's go. It's a cool little structure here. The lookout, it's got the Colombian flags on the side. This is her second time, third time, tercera vez. And it's my first time, so she's gonna be my guide today. Mi guía. And yeah, I don't foresee going on too many roller coaster rides, but just walking around, observing, taking a day off of work should be fun. Apparently there's a cool Colombian cultural show at 1:30, the guy at the restaurant was saying, so gonna have to check that out. I'm more looking forward to just walking around, change of environment, change of scenery. Let's see, maybe I'll feel adventurous and go on some rides, but I know she's not really the type for that. So a ti no te gustan los juegos, los the roller coasters. Wow, it's been a long time actually since I've come to an amusement park. I think the last time I went to a major one, I mean I went to one in Asia, but it was like it wasn't what I would count as like one of these big parks. The last time was in Canada when I was like 18 or something. It's all coffee themed here. Perfect, makes sense, the region we're in. Aptly named Parque del Café, the coffee park, or the park of coffee. Ah, they have a Juan Valdez. It's the first time I've seen. Aquí usualmente es Café Quindío. This is the one that we always drink in Antioquia, in Medellin, where I've stayed the past few years for part of the year and where she's from. She can be the photographer today. Professional. Her whole family is photographers. Her mom, her dad, her brother are all professional photographers, so I'll leave that to her. And this is what we're gonna take down to get into the park. Cable car, or as they call them here, the teleférico. Teleférico. That's one thing you'll get corrected on a lot with your Spanish.
Impossible.
is the, oh yeah, this is the issue here. No lines, no organization. No, but the accents. When you're traveling in any Spanish-speaking country, that's the one thing, is beware of the accent. Where it's marked above the letter, that's where you exaggerate the sound. It's the same in English, actually. I find I'm correcting her a lot as she's learning English. It's when you stress the wrong syllable, it just doesn't sound like the same word. So, and I love this. There's not even a lineup to get on. There's like a few people, but this is nothing. ¿Crees que podemos pasear? ¿O cómo funciona? Okay, they're ready now. I thought they needed more time. Gracias.
Let's go!
Let's go! This reminds me, the last time we were in one of these things was in Lisboa. Y yo grabé. Mi cámara era nueva y nos grabamos como en ruta al acuario o después.
Okay.
Había un parque arriba del mar. We went to Lisbon last summer. Oh yeah, in Ecuador as well, in Quito, but that was before, antes. La última vez era en Lisboa.
Lisbon. Bye.
Doors closing. And now we're off to the races.
Let's go!
See what kind of view we got here. The window is not great. I think this side's better. And you can already hear the screams as we make our descent into the park. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's just beautiful. It's pure bamboo forest the whole way. I thought it was just in the front there. The thing I love about Colombia, one of the first things that stood out to me above other countries was the pure greenery when you arrive in the city, and then just the diversity. It's like you have bamboo trees next to these jungle trees that you've never seen before in your life, next to these giant leaf trees that look like they're out of the land before time or something like that. It's incredible. I think Costa Rica is the most biodiverse country on the planet, and then Colombia is the second, but don't quote me on that.
Llegamos al parque.
We've arrived at the bottom, and now let the adventure begin. I'm ready for some fun. Take the bag. Yeah. Buenos días. Colombia is one of the friendliest countries. It's custom to greet everyone you pass by. Obviously we're in like a theme park, so that's part of their job, but the same thing applies. You're in an elevator, you're walking down the street, you pass by someone, more times than not, you're going to greet them or they're going to greet you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And good times. Es verdad, en Colombia siempre es como saludando a la gente en el ascensor, en tu edificio, caminando en la calle.
Somos muy educados.
It's true. Colombia is really a nice culture. You feel, no, I don't know. You feel connected to other people because they are so. It's not the same in every Latin American country. In Peru, it's not the same. In some parts of the city, definitely, but even to the language they use just sounds a bit more. Here they use the con gusto. Gracias, con gusto. It's like with pleasure, with. In other countries, kind of de nada. Como, all right, como, all right, nothing. There's subtle differences. I don't know. It's something I appreciate about the culture here and the people. Ah, this is where the show is?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, okay.
Bus is here.
Ah, okay, we go in bus.
1:30.
Ah, no es exactamente aquí. Tenemos que irnos en bus y luego...
El parque es... Vamos hacia allá. ¿Quieres venir por aquí?
So anyway, yeah, this is where the guy was saying, I guess we have to take a bus. El bus nos llevamos a otro lugar por el show.
Nos lleva a otro lugar a la 1:30.
Ah, okay. So we'll be back here at that time to see that show. Because like I said, I don't expect us going on many roller coasters today, but cultural shows, take in the sights. This is cool, actually. It's not even that busy. This reminds me of Pueblito Paisa in Medellin, the old style buildings. Feels like you're in an old Colombian town, which we've been doing lots of recently, exploring the little pueblitos.
Colombia.
This is my first time we went to, like 2 years ago, we went to like a little mini park in the mall, pero no es lo mismo. In Envigado. It's part of the mall. It's actually surprisingly a decent little park for a shopping center, but yeah, it's not a theme park like this. Y tú hiciste ¿cómo se llama? The drop zone. Por primera vez. She was really scared, and I convinced her to go on it. It's actually like, it wasn't that high, but no, I get it. If you're afraid of heights, that's no joke.
Today, no.
Today, that's one I can do because, yeah, I just don't like being dizzy. Mareo es lo peor. No quiero sentir mareo.
Mira.
Pero así está bien.
Es el más extremo, el rojo.
Yeah, that's the one we're not gonna do. I would have done that when I was 16, 18. I would still do it today, but not alone, and I know there's no way she's gonna go on that, so. I love this that it's not that busy. No hay muchas personas, tal vez domingos, no sé, menos personas visitan aquí.
It's terrible.
Or maybe in 2 hours or como en 2 horas hay mucho más gente. Where?
I know.
I can't see it. She's saying the drop ride is here. That's
It's-
what I'll do.
Míralo.
I'll convince her. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, the one.
No, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yes. No, the one I went on. No, si esto es como miedoso para ti, no puedes imaginar en Canadá cómo grande, cómo alto es. But no, that's a lot higher than the one in Envigado. Okay, mi guía, ¿dónde nos vamos?
Empieza nuestra aventura. Mira, hay atracciones por water.
Ah, okay. Now that's a good time. The water rides, that's something that everyone can enjoy. Anyway, that's the walk into the park. We're gonna go. I'm actually gonna grab a coffee, Yo quiero café, and then we're gonna go explore more of the park. So we'll catch you guys later. Peace.